Hi, I'm Eric Schueler. I'm the president of HRCT. So my job as president, I wear all the hats. So I literally run every department. I have my hand in everything. If sales needs me to look at something, I look at something. I run the marketing, I approve orders, I do nearly everything that involves running a technology company. So what I love about my job is that every day is different. Like, I don't actually know from day to day what I'm going to be getting into and what kind of challenges I'm going to face. At heart, I love solving problems, and there's always problems that need to be solved. What I do in my role that sets us apart is really just the vision of becoming the best MSP in Hampton Roads and delivering like the best products and services and making our customers as happy as they can be. So what I like to do in my free time is work on classic vintage antique cars. Picture kids in the 50s coming back from World War II. There's all these Ford Model A's around that are all going to the junkyards, and they're turning them into hot rods. And I want to replicate that and have a car that a kid in high school in the 50s would be driving. So for any client that's watching us, I would say the reason that HRCT is a good fit is that everybody here just cares. They really want to solve your problem. They want to make you happy. They want to do the best and do things as well as possible to deliver the products and solutions we're here for.